Have you ever woken up feeling paralyzed? Like you're stuck in bed, unable to move a muscle? This terrifying experience is called sleep paralysis, and it can feel like you're trapped in a waking nightmare. Imagine this. You're in bed, wide awake, but your body won't obey. You can't move, speak, or even scream. On top of that, you might feel a dark presence looming over you, hear strange whispers, or even feel like you're floating outside your body. Sleep paralysis can be absolutely terrifying, especially if it's your first time experiencing it. But what's actually happening during this spooky episode? It all boils down to a glitch in the sleep cycle. When you enter REM sleep, your body becomes paralyzed to prevent you from acting out your dreams. Normally, this paralysis ends when you wake up. But with sleep paralysis, your mind wakes up before your body does, leaving you stuck in a state of wakeful paralysis. This can lead to some pretty intense hallucinations based on fear and anxiety. So, what can trigger sleep paralysis? There's no single answer, but some factors can increase your chances of experiencing it. Sleep disorders like sleep apnea or insomnia, mental health conditions like anxiety or PTSD, an irregular sleep schedule or jet lag, substance use, especially alcohol. If you're experiencing sleep paralysis, there's no need to panic. Remember, it's a temporary state and your body will eventually wake up on its own. In the meantime, try to stay calm and focus on relaxing your muscles. Some people find that wiggling their fingers or toes can help break them out of the paralysis. If sleep paralysis is becoming a frequent problem, it's important to see a doctor to rule out any underlying sleep disorders. So there you have it, folks. The mysterious world of sleep paralysis explained. Have you ever experienced sleep paralysis? Share your stories in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more interesting sleep science content. Thanks for watching, and sleep tight, but not too tight.